First of all, we have to consider one bit of comparator. So there is a one bit for A, there is another bit for B, and we have to compare this, and we define the output. So define the truth table for comparator. Define the truth table for comparator. How we compare? Let's see the truth table. Here the input variable A, first variable A, second variable B. These two are the input. Okay, this is my input. I am here making the bracket. And what is the output? What are the output? Tell me, what are the output?
A is greater than B, A equal to B, A is less than B.
Very good. Output are first A is less than B, then A equal to B, and third one is A greater than B. Okay, so this is my output. Now tell me the truth. We have to define the truth table. Huh? This is A 0, B is 0. What is the output?
A equal to B.
Yes, the A equal to B. So we are consider output A equal to B is 1. Okay, output A equal to B equal to 1. If suppose A is 0, B is 1, what is my output?
A is greater than B.
Yes,
A is less than
A is
B.
less than or greater than?
Less than B.
Yes, A is less than B. Then 1, 0,
A is greater than
A is greater than B. Then 1, 1,
A equal to B.
A equal to B. The rest of all are considered as a 0. So we are consider rest of all are considered as a 0. So this is my truth table. This is my truth table. So now depends on this truth table, we are going to depends on this truth table, we are going to design the combinational circuit for comparator. Now we have a input, we have a output, then the first step is nothing but take one output as a K-map. There are two variables, so I am consider K-map for two variable. B is here, so B and B bar. बरोबर है? And here A bar and A. There are two variables, so I found the K-map. Okay. Now I am going to write the equation for A is less than B. That is equal to. Tell me the equation.
0, 1, 0, 0.
Here is 0. This is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. ओके बघा 0 0 ला 0 आहे 0 1 ला 1 आहे 1 0 ला 0 1 1 ला 0 मग इक्वेशन काय येणार आहे
A bar B.
यस द इक्वेशन इक्वल टू A bar B. Equation equal to A bar B. Now the second for equation A and B. Now here I am going to write a, this is A, this is A bar, this is B bar, and this is B. Okay. Here 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now tell me the equation for,
A bar B bar plus AB.
yes. So we are consider here A equal to B. A equal to B, I am writing here, that is equal to, output is A equal to B for the equation. So A bar B bar plus AB. कळतंय का सगळ्यांना काय चाललंय ते?
Yes, sir.
आता कुणासाठी बघतो आपण? तिसऱ्यासाठी. इथं लिहा बी बी, that is bar, that is A bar, that is A. इक्वेशन कुणासाठी लिहायचे आता?
A is greater than B.
Yes, A is greater than now the third last equation, that is A is greater than B. For last equation we are consider A bar. Okay. I'm going to write here. Okay. And here is consider B and B bar. Tell me the equation for A is greater than B. It is 0. This is 1. A is greater than B ला हे ना हे. This is 0. This is 0. This is 1. And this is 0. Equation. Tell me the equation.
A B bar.
Yes, A B bar. A B bar. Now we get the three equation for the three output. We have a three output. Using K-map, we get the three output equation. Now we will design the K-map. Sorry, we will design the combinational circuit. Here, how much inputs are there? How much inputs are there?
Two inputs.
Yes, there are two inputs. So I am here consider A and second is considered as a B. So this is for A and this is for B. Now I am going to take some basic component which is we required into the designing circuit. Okay, so I am going to define the some circuit, some designing, that is basic NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. So first equation, what is first equation? A is less than B. What is the output of A is less than B? A bar
A bar
B.
B.
So that we require one NOT gate here. We require one NOT gate here. Okay, this is a NOT gate. I am connecting this NOT gate to the A. So here I get A bar. Here I get A bar. Okay. Now the second is B. In between what? In between dot product is there. Okay, so I required one AND
And
gate
B.
here. I require one AND gate here, and I am going to attach that B. So here I get the output. Here I get the output that is A bar B. What the output? What is the output? A bar B. That is equal to equal to what? Equal to what? A is less than B. Right? This is our output. This is my output, the first output. Okay, I achieve first output here. Now going to second output. What is my second output? A is equal to B. Here you can observe,
A is not.
yeah, here you can observe this equation is nothing but this equation A bar B bar plus AB is nothing but A XOR A XOR
X nor, sir.
XNOR, sorry. A XNOR A XNOR B. Here I get this equation is nothing but A XNOR B. So I am going to define one XNOR gate here. Copy here, paste. This is my XNOR gate. Okay. Okay, this is my XNOR gate. I am going to bubble this also. Okay, this is my XNOR gate. So I am going to attach A here. This is A. I am going to attach for XNOR gate. And similarly, the another one is considered for B. So now I get the output. What is my output?
A bar B bar plus AB.
Yes, A bar B bar plus AB. A bar B bar plus AB, that is equal to what is my
A
output?
equal to B.
Yes, that is equal to A equal to B. This is my output. Okay. Now the third output is for A is greater than B. Okay. For A is greater than B, what is the output? A dot B bar. A dot B bar. So I am going to define this not gate for B. Not gate for B. Okay. This is my not gate. I am going to make some adjustment here. Not gate for B. And in between there is a AND gate. So I am going to attach this is a AND gate. And this is for A. This is for A and this is for B. Okay. And here I take the output. Here I take the output. What is my output? A B
B bar.
bar. A B bar. That is equal to,
A is greater than B.
yes, A is greater than B. Are you able to understand this?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is
Yes,
my
sir.
comparator. This is my comparator. This is my comparator, which is considered one bit comparator. What is this? This is a one bit comparator. कळतंय का?